Ciao everyone! Let's talk pasta, Italian style. We Italians love pasta, like really love it. We eat over 60 pounds of pasta per person every year. That's more than anyone else in the world. This shows you just how important pasta is to our culture. It's not just dinner, it's a way of life for us. Pasta is everywhere in Italy. From quick family dinners to big celebrations, pasta is always on our table. And we can make it with just about anything, which makes it perfect for showing off what's fresh and in season. So what makes Italian pasta so special? It's simple, it's easy to make, and there are tons of different kinds. There are hundreds of pasta shapes, each with its own story and purpose. From thin angel hair to chunky rigatoni, every shape has a different texture and holds sauce in its own way. Mix that with all the different sauces you can make, and you've got a food adventure like no other. Even though pasta is popular everywhere, there are some wrong ideas about real Italian pasta. One big myth is that you need to put oil in the boiling water. You don't. It can actually stop the sauce from sticking to the pasta. Another myth is that sauces have to be complicated. Fancy sauces are great, but some of the best Italian pasta dishes are super simple. Take cacio e pepe for example. It's just pecorino cheese and black pepper, but it's amazing. A culinary legacy, regions, techniques, and ingredients. Pasta in Italy isn't just one thing. It's like a big mix of traditions from different places, each with its own way of making pasta. Up north, they like egg pastas like tagliatelle and tortellini. Down south, they use durum wheat pastas like orecchiette and cavatelli. And it's not just the shapes that are different. The way they cook and the sauces they use are different too. But one thing is the same everywhere. They all use the best ingredients they can find. Secrets from Nonna's kitchen. Tips for pasta perfection. Making perfect pasta isn't just about following a recipe. It's about knowing how to cook it just before cooking time. Al dente, which means to the tooth. It should be firm, not mushy. It is also easier to digest. Overcooked pasta is a no-no for us. That's when you mix the pasta water with the sauce to make it creamy and delicious. It helps the sauce stick to the pasta. And finally, remember that simple is often best. Let the great ingredients do the talking.